puzzles, all the inputs are 3 by 3 and all the outputs are 9 by 9, so we can assume that the output is gonna be likely a 9 by 9 grid. Then one thing we notice, especially in the second input and in the third input, we notice some shapes that clearly repeat, and they repeat forming the pattern of the input. Then the second thing we notice, especially in this third output, is that this shape over here is the inverted shape of the input. So if we see the black squares are in fact the yellow squares here, okay? This occurs as well in the second input, so we see these shapes are placed where the colored squares are in the input, but the shapes themselves are inverted. Okay, so we see black squares over here, they become pink squares, and this also occurs in the first input. So we see the inversion will have these 4 corners, and we have 4 corners, 4 corners, 4 corners, and so on. Okay, so we must invert this shape and place it over here, like so. We repeat it over here, we repeat it over here, and we repeat it over here. And that's the solution.